Good morning, crypto world. How is everybody doing out there today? It is Monday morning, the 18th of June, 2018. People of the world powering up the crypto market. Remember that. It is the people of the world powering up the crypto market. It's not industrial investments total. No. It is mostly people in the world powering up the crypto market. So everybody's got to invest. All right, so think about this. There's $10 billion going in daily to the market, and that's a good, strong people push. But more and more people have to do it. So that is my speech this morning. Because why? The market is very, very status and will not move much unless there's more investments coming in. And you got to just understand this, that the power of the people, yep, they can do it. All you got to do is invest in your coins, your favorite coins, and buy more and buy more and buy more if you can afford it, and this market will climb. Once the industrial investors chip in and come, they're coming. Don't worry about that, because a lot of hedge funds and a lot of different big industrial investments are coming the second half of this year. But if you want to see this market grow, everybody's got to buy more. You can't just sit on your portfolio and just go, I'm not going to buy anymore. No. If you see prices coming down low, buy. You got Ripple at 52 cents. It's going to go up, folks. Bitcoin, everybody, Bitcoin is going to go up. There's there's tons of different people saying, and I'm believing you too, that when you look, it's not because of last year. No, you have to look at the circulating supply, and you have to look at the popularity of Bitcoin. And there's a lot of investors that want to buy it and save it and use it as an asset. Okay, so with that, it is going to go up in value. And before we go there, let's do this. Okay, now we get that. Binance, I was mentioning on my last video, being that they moved to Malta. Everybody's moving to Malta. And that's because it's so favorable. And Binance for their fiat, and which is cash trade option going through. And that's a big thing with exchanges. If you're new to exchanges, folks, you want to have the USD availability and other fiat availability to make the exchanging of the coins fluid and cashing out available. Now, with this, that's a very big deal, because Binance and more companies, including the Apollo Foundation, OKX, a lot of different people are moving to Malta, and it's just going to open up a lot of good, basically, opportunities for stable and with non-regulatable growth, and that is a beautiful thing. Now, speaking of that, you've got with another exchange thing is that the Chinese megacity, and with the megacity, it's Chongqing. Okay, with with Chongqing, they are putting in and mulling a plan to set up its own block-based digital asset exchange. Now, keep in mind that the Chinese government has outlawed crypto exchanging, crypto buying, trading. So this is big news. In fact, they put it on the government website on it, and then they pulled it down. But they still say that they are going to pursue it. And with that, because there's been a lot of people in China saying that, they just need to consider a digital asset exchange, because you can't stifle the growth of the future. And it's true. Everybody understands that blockchain is the future. Digital is the future. And by saying that, in China saying no, you can't do it, and they need to modify the statement. All right, so that's going to be happening, being that one of the biggest city governments is going with the gusto of a new exchange. Now, with that too, we've got the market, and one thing too, regarding Bitcoin. When I was talking before about the value of Bitcoin, it's down at 6,500. Okay, if you take away last year, all right, and don't even think about last year, and you look at what's going on this year, this market has the people's money in it. Okay, and it's basically a 280 billion market. That's the people all around the world cranking this market. So when you see that you have the power for the market, you got to understand one thing. It's going to go up. It's going to go down a little bit. But if you really want the market to go up, You've got to spread the word about the crypto market. Get your friends cooking on buying into Bitcoin and other top coins and tokens. Go with the ones that have the asset value and a product, and that is the ticket. The top 10 is a good focus on what's going on. And with the Apollo Foundation hitting the market soon, in fact, the Apollo Foundation, that with the 6 exchanges, IDEX, HitBTC, CoinPulse.io, Nebula, Bitex Ltd, and ByteBTC, just the beginning. Just the beginning. And on June 29th, that's where Apollo goes live first on IDEX. And that'll be a rush to watch. Now, let's see. We'll get to another bit on the next video, by the way. It'll be more about the Apollo Foundation with the exchanges, and especially more tutoring on IDEX and how to make that easy to cash out and do what you want to do starting the 29th of this month. Now, let's see what else. I think I could have a coffee. Hold on one second. Okay. Let's see. Hopefully everybody's weekend was good. And we'll go back to the market cap a little bit. And we'll bring this up just a little bigger too. Let's see. Let's go up to 130, 150. There we go. You can see here with Bitcoin at 65.21, Ethereum at 531 cents, Ripple at 52 cents, Bitcoin Cash at 8.45, EOS at 10.41, Litecoin at 95.09, and Stellar at, let's see, 22 cents, Cardano at 15, almost 16 cents, IOTA at 116, Tron at 4 cents, and we got to see if Tron does anything in the next 10 days. That'll be good to watch. Now, with the market, as you can see in the last hour, it's edging up about a percentage average. And you can look at EOS is up 1.41. You've got 104 for IOTA. Tron at almost 1%. Bitcoin Cash at almost 1%. So that, if they keep, if this market keeps going green today, then we'll wipe away that negative 24 hours. And hopefully wipe away the negative in the next couple of days. Keep it cooking. Wipe away the 7%, or I should say 7-day down percentage, and cook. And that would be nice. Now, as you can see, all the different coins and tokens, these will go down in the future. There won't be that many. There won't be, there's over 3,000. Coin market cap covers 1629. And that's going to, next year, you wait till you see what happens in the next year. You're going to see the coins and tokens that have value in the product, in the assets, in the product line. Hover and do the top 15. That's going to be the thing. You're going to see the competition between those cranking. And the Apollo Foundation will be right up on top. All right, guys, I'm going to talk to you soon in the next video. And I want to thank you for subscribing, hitting the notification bell, because there will be breaking news coming up. And in fact, a lot of breaking news I know of that's about to break in the next week. So, notifications. And please share the channel. And do not forget, you have a chance to win 1 million coins of the Apollo coins on launch day, June 29th this year. So less than 2 weeks away. Yeah, think about that. Okay, 1 million coins. So all you have to do is subscribe, hit the notification bell, and share the channel. My company is a marketing company. I know what's out there. So when you share the channel on Twitter, you share the channel on Facebook, and you go around and you social share my channel, I know if you're doing it. So if you subscribe and you do that, you have a chance to win the $1 million. Could be almost. If Ethereum, let's put it this way. If Apollo Foundation beats Ethereum, you're going to see that happen. All right, guys? It'll be more than $1. It'll be a lot higher than that. If Ripple can make almost $4 with as many coins as it has, the Apollo Foundation's coin will easily get over $1 with the little coins compared to Ripple that it has. So Yahoo. All right, guys, have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.